limon sa tagal nakakulong bilang araw ng panahon. Teka, got my shackles on, that means I am home. Got no room for visitors, it'd be best if y'all leave me alone. Hey, go away, I'd be rude if I ask you to stay, cause I'm gon' pray right before I try to eat my prey. You know what they say, who cares what they say? Don't invade my space, cause if you do, then I'll leave you like what you doing, not okay. Siguro nga panahon na para ako'y magising, harapin at yakapin tunay na ako'y magiging. Alamin mga bagay na makakaya kong gawin kapag ang takot at di nakatakutan ko'y ako rin. It was a nice proposal, but I'm trying to avoid trouble. I'll admit keeping myself to my convincing idea. Should I really go out there and be healthy? Though it's clear that the whole world is a friendless day. Okay, I've been living all my life right behind these walls. I the life that ain't got for all these girls. I'm like a melody, my very sex of me. Watch me need your pain and game for alibi. These are my lifelines outside, it's my time. I'm some extra twists and turns, yeah, I'll keep updating my timeline. Sa tanang buhay ko'y naglakbay ng mag-isa, mga paniniwala ko'y di nabasag ng iba. Di kailanman kailangan ng maraming kaibigan na sa kalagitnaan ng digmaan ay nawawala. Di ko wala ako'y namoy sa wala, ako pa'y napagkain na lupa. Saan man mapagpadaking pa, di nidaman na kalimula. Hanggang sa di na wala yan ang puso'y matuna. Kaya kinalo ko sarili mag-isa at binigay ang natatanging susi na meron ako sa at kung mahanap ang sa, di wala ang iba mas nakikita kapag ito